So guys, welcome to Techno Starters, and today I'm here to show you how you can install the USB drivers as well as EDB and fastboot drivers for any smartphone. First of all, let's just open this MI flash because this is the way that I can show you that I do not have the drivers installed. So here it says install the drivers, but this never works. You can see it gave a message about something in a language that I do not know, and again it says install. It means it didn't work. When I refresh, nothing comes up. My device doesn't show up here. So the next way to show you that I do not have the drivers is that I will just open the ADB and fastboot and type a command called fastboot devices. You see, nothing came up. Okay, so now to install the drivers, first of all you need to go to this website. The website is called androidmtk.com. so what you need to do, just type the brand of the device you have. Like, I'm gonna type Samsung for once. Samsung USB drivers, download, and this website will always come up in the search results. No matter what the brand of the device is, this website will always come up. Okay, so I have the Xiaomi device. I'm gonna type mi USB drivers, and this website again came up in the results. Just open this website, browse your phone, and here you will see two different drivers. The one is, in my case, Xiaomi Mi A2 Qualcomm driver. It might be named something else in your case, like Samsung Exynos or Samsung MediaTek driver, depending on the device and chipset you have. This is not the driver we need most of the times. Most of the times we need this driver, ADB driver. This is the driver that lets us install ROMs and use ADB and fastboot. Talking about this driver, most of the times this driver automatically gets installed by the Windows. So just we need to download the ADB driver. I have already installed it, so I am not gonna install it again. So now go to the device manager, and here under the other devices section you will see Android with this little like error mark or something. Just double click on it, go to update driver, browse, and please pay attention here. Most of the times, like I used to do, most of you guys will just click on the browse here, but please do not do this. This will not work. What we need to do is click on let me pick from a list, then click next, click on the have disk button, and now browse. I have the drivers on my desktop, so I will just browse, and this is the file that we need. This will be there in every driver for every brand smartphone. Okay, Android underscore Windows USB. So click on it, select this and click open. Okay, and here you can see some info about the drivers that are going to be installed. Just click next. Yes, and that was it guys. We have the drivers installed now, and now I will just show you the proof that my drivers are installed. So there are two ways to prove that. First one is that I will just open the mi flash tool and press the refresh button, and you will see this device here. Okay, the second way is using the ADB and fastboot drivers. Fastboot devices, and here you can see my device came up. And here is something else. I just installed this Dolby Atmos for free, and it is working perfectly. and it is I think 2020 version, as you can see here. So if you want a video on this topic, please let me know. And if this video was helpful to you, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.